So today we're going to learn how to play on the piano. If you can use anything, Lord, you can use me. So I'm going to play this in the key of G, and I'm going to put the chords up so you can follow along. You can use anything, Lord, you can use me. You can use anything, Lord, you can use me. Take my hands, Lord, take my feet. Touch my heart, Lord, speak through me. If you can't use anything, Lord, you can use me. You can't use anything, Lord, you can use me. You can't use anything, Lord, you can use me. Take my hands, Lord, take my feet. Touch my heart, Lord, speak through me. If you can use anything, Lord, you can use me. And on that last part you go, take my hands, Lord, take my feet. Touch my heart, Lord, speak through me. You can use anything, Lord, you can use me. And that chord there, this is a D, that's a flat 9, it's a D flat 9, because that would be your 9, is the E. That's a D9. You could play a D9 like this, because there's your 9, but it's a flat 9. So instead of doing a C over D, that 4 over 5, you could do a 5 flat 9. Well, I hope you like this video. Subscribe so you don't miss out on any more content. Till next time, God bless.